So the Selenium course duration, it is taking 6 to 7 weeks. Okay. After completion of this course, you can able to automate any of the website completely by yourself only from scratch, from creation of project and everything. You can able to automate this any of the automation project completely by yourself only. Okay. So you can able to automate any e-commerce application like Flipkart, Amazon, any of the website completely by yourself only, using BDD Cucumber framework or hybrid framework. In companies, 70% of the companies, they are using BDD Cucumber framework. Okay, so that's why more I'm focusing on BDD Cucumber framework for 3 weeks, and remaining 4 weeks I'm focusing on all Selenium concepts and hybrid framework. Okay, and so many people having a common doubt, sir, I am not from technical background, I am from different stream. Okay, so if you want to get into enter into software, the easiest technology is only Selenium Java automation testing. Okay, if you are learning only manual testing, there is no opportunities at all. Okay, so you have to learn Selenium Java automation testing. It's not a big deal and it's not a very difficult course. Just 5 to 10% of Java concepts are enough. You no need to bother that you have to learn all Java concepts and everything. As part of this course, I'm also covering Java concepts. So that means anybody having without any background knowledge also, they can able to take this course and they can able to complete this course. Okay. So that's what I'm telling. So you no need to bother. You can take any of your decisions after completion of 3 classes. Okay. So after completion of 3 classes, you can understand, yes, that I can able to automate this any of the website. You will get such confidence within 3 days itself. Okay. So with my training, you can able to get the confidence like that. So you don't worry, sir. Is there any huge coding like that? So many people are having feel like that. Okay. So that's what I'm telling. So some basic concepts of core Java concepts is enough. Don't bother if anybody is from non-technical background. So you no need to worry because I'm covering the topics from zero to from A to Z. So you no need to worry about that. Okay. And okay. Um, okay. So before starting the session, anybody is having any doubts or questions, just for 5 minutes, we can have the discussion, and after that, I can jump into the demo part. So that is the background about the course, and each and every class video recordings will be uploaded in YouTube, guys. So once my class is completed, every class, okay, the recorded class, it can be uploaded into YouTube so that that video can be accessible throughout the lifelong. And also you can attend multiple online classes as well. It's not like that you have to only attend single batch only. Parallelly, if any batches will also come, you can join those batches as well. Okay. So the course training we are charging 20,000 and duration is 7 weeks. And first 3 weeks we are focusing on BDD Cucumber framework, and remaining 4 weeks we are focusing on hybrid and Selenium concepts. So that's the background, guys. Anybody is having any doubts before I am starting, you can unmute and you can talk now itself. After getting job, can we get work support? Guys, here I am doing only training and job placement. Work support I am not taking care. But if you are if you are perfect in BDD Cucumber framework, you no need to depend on any kind of work support. But still, if you want some work support, outside people they are charging monthly 25K to 30K on every month. If you want those numbers, you can post it in Telegram groups, or you can reach out me. I can give you those contact numbers. If they are available, they can give you work support also. But they are charging monthly 30K. So my job here, just I am doing training and placement. The placement also it can be completed within a month or maximum 45 days. Okay. So the job placement is separate charges, guys. So the job placement we are charging separately, but training is charging separately. So the training fees is only 20,000. Job placement and offer interview support, and those are separate charges, guys. If anybody want to know those details, you can come and you can call me after this meeting. We can explain the things. Okay, because getting job placement and offer charges, that is different, guys. So this is only for training purpose. Okay, guys, anybody having any other doubts? Do we get the interview support till the client or project interview? Guys, we are giving job support and interview support. Once you get offer, still we are giving interview support up to 2 months. Okay. So in nowadays, any company they are hiring after completion of client interview only, they are giving the offer. In case once you entered into the company also, I am giving interview support up to 2 months, guys. So you no need to bother about that. Okay. So until you are engaged into the project, we are giving the interview support. Anyway, we are giving also interview support up even after joined in the company as well. We are giving free interview support up to 2 months. Okay, that's what. Any other
Yeah,
questions?
hi Sudhakar.
Yes, if anybody want to ask the question also, you can ping me in the group chat. People are posting in the chat. I can respond on that. When we start our job trials, once you complete BDD Cucumber after completion of 3 weeks, everyone can apply the jobs, no doubt at all. Because in companies they are using BDD Cucumber framework. Once you are practiced and if you get confidence on BDD, it's a very easiest automation framework, and companies also using that one. So after completion of 3 weeks, you can start your job trials. Okay, and in our office premises, we are giving 5 hours interview rehearsals. How
Yes,
to tell the answer during the interview
yes,
time, we are guiding particularly. Okay, so that you can get the confidence, guys. So that 5 hours interview training is mandatory to everyone, whoever is enrolling for job placement related. Okay, this is only training related. This duration of.
yes,
Anybody having, can we start for demo or any other questions? Guys, you can watch my YouTube videos also. It's already there, Selenium Sudhakar. You can watch my YouTube channel and Instagram accounts. So you can come to know about me. Okay. So 100% you will able to clear the interview in the first attempt itself with my job support, guys. No doubt at all. Okay. And I am not charging any amount in the advance, guys. Once after getting offer letter only, I am charging the amount. Okay. So you no need to worry. Sir is taking 50,000, 1 lakh in advance prior to the interview. So you don't bother about that because I am not charging any of the amount. Okay. I'm charging the amount once you get the offer letter only. Once if offer letter is in your Gmail, then only I'm charging. Otherwise, I'm not at all charging any of the amount, guys. So those things I can explain separately because this is only training related. Whoever want to know about job support and interview process, you can ping me or you can reach out us in our office premises directly. Surely I'm telling within a 30 days, 30 to 40 days, your placement will be complete. No doubt. Okay, guys, let's start Selenium class. Guys, hope everyone is able to see my notepad. Selenium Java automation testing course. Okay. So Selenium Java automation testing course. Okay. In Selenium Java automation testing, so we have to know what is the automation and what is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. So manual testing means you can take any of the website like Amazon or Flipkart or any banking application or any health insurance application. So that applications contains so many functionalities. Suppose if you take Amazon application, creation of order, cancellation of order, refund order amount, okay, change primary address, add secondary address. So every application, it contains so many functionalities, guys. Okay, and adding items to cart, deleting items to cart, and cart amount is populated correctly or not. Is payment gateway is successful or not for through bank or through net banking or through third party bill payment services. So like that, every application it contains n number of functionalities, guys. So in testing terminology, every functionality we can call it as a test case, guys. Every functionality we can call it as a test case. So creation of order is one test case. Okay. Refund an order amount, that is another test case. I'm not so generally we can call it as a functionality. Create order functionality, modify order, delete order, cancellation order, change primary contact details, change primary address details, change secondary address details. So each and everything is a different functionality. To perform these functionalities, we will navigate it as per the functionality. We will be navigated to different screens, guys. Will be navigated to different screens. So to perform particular functionality, we are navigating a particular screens and we are doing the required operations on the web page. Okay. So to perform that particular functional flow, we are doing some actions on the web pages. So each and every functional flow we are calling as a test case. Each functional flow we are calling as a test case. In testing terminology, we are calling it as a test case. And each test case, we have to generate test evidence, guys. Test evidence means it is a Word document with relevant screenshots. Okay, test evidence means a Word document with relevant screenshots. Suppose there is a functionality, create order. Okay, a refund order amount. Change primary address. So, like this is a test case 1, TC01, and second one is this is TC02, and this is like TC03. So each and every functional flow having different screenshots and navigations. Okay, create order. We will select some items in the Amazon application, and we will click on add to cart, and after that we will click on buy, and after that your order got submitted. So we will keep all these screenshots in a Word document. Okay, that we can call it as a test evidence. Okay, so to create an order, we are performing some certain steps. So navigate to Amazon application, select some of the list of, search for the list of items and select the required products and click on add to cart button. Okay, we are performing some set of steps to perform particular test case functional flow. So that we can call it as a test case design steps. Test case design steps means how you have to navigate to particular functional flow. And second one, test case execution. Test case execution means we are preparing test evidence, means a Word document with relevant screenshots we are capturing in a Word document. Test case design steps means a set of steps, a set of steps, a set of navigation steps. How to perform that particular functional flow. That particular functional flow. So test we are doing. So if you take any of the application, it contains a test case. It contains so many functionalities. Okay, it contains so many functionalities. Means so many functionalities means so many test cases. So that means every test case, okay, every test case can contains design steps. Every test case contains design steps. Means a set of navigation steps. Okay, a set of navigation steps how to perform that particular functional flow. Okay. So this is the first one, and test execution means we are preparing test evidence. Test evidence means a Word document with relevant screenshots. So creation of an order. If I will open that Word document, I can see how the user is, whatever functionalities he is doing, he will just click on print screen button in the keyboard so that that current active screenshot can be captured, and he will open the Word document, he will do Control V. So the active screenshot can be pasted in the Word document. So like manually what we are doing is, whichever web pages that we are navigating, just we are clicking on print screen button. So entire snapshot will be captured, and in the Word document just we are doing Control V action so that that particular snapshot will be pasted. Okay. So like that. Okay, let me show you. Suppose I'm navigating to Amazon web application like this. I'm navigating to Amazon application. So I want to capture this screenshot. So I'm just printing print screen like this. Okay. And what I am doing, just I'm creating a Word document here. So I pressed print screen button and I'm doing Control V action. So like that, each and every screenshot I'm pasting in a Word document. So this we can call it as a test evidence. So how can user come to know this creation of order is particularly working fine? Because by going through all the steps, all the screenshot evidences that everyone can understand, yes, this creation order got submitted successfully. So by end of the screenshot, we can come to know what is the order number and how the order got submitted. We can, after navigating to the screenshots, we can come to know that order got successfully completed. Similarly, this refund order amount process. So by navigating to existing order, clicking on refund amount, your amount will be refunded within 2 or 3 days. Some messages. So means those are different screenshots for particular to this function. So every test case, we have to create a test case evidences. So this phase we are calling it as a test case execution. So in the interviews, people are asking what is test execution means preparation of test evidences, capturing of screenshots in a Word document. That phase we are calling it as a test case execution. And test case contains design steps. So this step we can call it as a test design phase. Test design phase. So in test design phase, okay, for every functional flow, we have to ensure a set of navigation steps are ready. Okay, and it can describes how to perform particular functional flow. So now let's come back to the manual testing and automation. So whether it is manual testing or automation testing, the objective of the testing is What the application contains 1,000 functionalities, means 1,000 test cases. You can execute it either manually or through automation scripts. You have written some script. You have written automation script for create order. You have written automation script for refund order amount, and you have written script for change primary address. So you have written 1,000 test cases through automation, and just you are clicking on run button. Okay, all 1,000 Word documents, it will be created on your desktop just within 1 hour or 2 hours itself. Whereas in manual testing, to prepare those test cases manually by navigating to the web pages and everything, it will take 30 to 40 days, guys. If it is manual testing, how many days it is taking? 30 to 40 days. Means to prepare test evidences, 30 to 40 days of time it is taking, because manually we are navigating. If it is automation testing, how much time it will take to me to prepare test evidences? Just I can take it 1 day, maximum 5 to 6 hours, or 4 hours. It can be 2 hours also. So nowadays, every company, they are only looking for the solution automation testing is. Okay. So, sir, I have completed manual testing and I am looking for the opportunities. You won't get single interview call also. At least you have to keep at least 1.5 year or 2 years of experience in your resume. And remaining 2 years, you can keep it as manual testing. Suppose you have a gap of 3 years or 4 years, keep 2 years manual testing, keep 2 years automation testing. So that interviewer also cannot be, it cannot be like high expectation. If you are keeping complete 4 years of experience, it is a high expectation for the interviewer. But if you are splitting the technologies, 2 years on manual testing, 2 years on automation testing, so that it will be good. So they won't get any high expectation like that. Okay, so like that we can prepare your resume as well. So resume preparation also, that activity we are only taking care. So any company, whether it is Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, whatever company, the only solution is automation testing, guys. So in automation testing, we will write some script for every functionality, create order, refund order, change primary. And once you click on run button, all the 1,000 Word documents can be created on your desktop just within 3 to 4 hours. But if you are going and if you are creating Word document manually and navigating to every web page and pressing print screen button and pasting for every functional flow, hardly in a day you can able to take only 10 or 15 Word documents manually. Even if you are engaged 2 3 members in the team also, 3 into 15, 45 means per day you can able to take prepare test evidences only 45 Word document. But I am having a huge target, 1,000 Word documents, means 1,000 test cases has to be completed within short span of time. So the only solution, every company, they are looking solution only for automation testing. So for automation testing, there are so many technologies available, guys. Selenium, Java. You can write Selenium coding in Java language, C# language, and JavaScript, and Python. So the course are divided. So as part of this course, we are covering only Selenium Java. Selenium C# is a different course, and Selenium JavaScript is a different course, and Python is also a different course, guys. Just I am telling, the most popular technology is Selenium Java. That's it. And in market, there are so many tools, Scheme, Cypress, and Playwright. Means these technologies, Playwright means these new technologies also, they are where you can write your script by using these technologies, and test evidences will be created on your desktop. Okay. Playwright and Tosca, these are the automation tools came, but compared to all these tools, Selenium Java is established and it is a stable automation framework. Okay, so 90% of the companies, they are using Selenium Java course only across world. It is having huge opportunities. Guys, this session is going to expire in just 1 minute. I'm going to share the new link. Can everyone join in that new link? And we can wind up the session by 9:30 itself. Okay. So I'm going to share you the second link now. So after completion of this 1 minute, I will share you the new link. Everyone can rejoin in that new link, guys. So that is the background. So every company, the only solution is automation testing, and we are going to learn Selenium Java. So that is the background, because by using automation testing, we can complete the testing very within short span of time. Okay.